Hi, welcome back to Natural Beauty with Melanie. I'm here today to open my first Petit Vour box. I just got a subscription for Christmas for 12 months, so my first one came today and I thought it'd be fun to unbox it together, and then I will do a follow-up video in a week or two as to my thoughts on the products in the box today. So this box is the December 2020 box from Petit Vour. Very excited to open it. All right, it looks like it has a holiday theme. Merry and Bright. This is, like I said, December 2020 box from Petit Vour. It looks like we'll be seeing 4 products in here. The Ultimate Multi-Use Color from Habitat Cosmetics. The next one is Levito Thera Intensive Foot Cream. Earth Harbor is the next brand with the Marina Biome Brightening Ampule. And the Odacite Synergy for Immediate Skin Perfecting Beauty Mask. So let's see here. The first thing that I'm opening is the Odacite Pure Elements Synergy for Immediate Skin Perfecting Beauty Mask. Number 4. Okay. So, okay, it looks like this is the, sorry, it has different numbers on here. So it looks like this is number 4, Synergy 4, which is vitamin C and probiotics. Let me tell you, this mask retails for $5.50. Formulated with ingredients that work synergistically, this mask is a complete beauty treatment that delivers results after the very first application. So that's cool. I like masks, and it's kind of fun to just try one and then not necessarily have to commit long term. So this will be fun. I can definitely easily review this and tell you my thoughts. Oh, this is so cute. I'm so sorry. I should have shown you how the box looks before we really got into it, but that's like a really cute presentation. And there's a whole bunch of little things, so it's so cute. All right, this is the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampule. The scent is spirulina and blue tansy. Blue tansy is so big right now. I have a face balm that I've been using with blue tansy, and I like the smell. At first I wasn't so sure, but it's definitely grown on me. So this is a cute little box, and I really like these little products to try. Isn't that cute? Let's see. It is, all right, 10 milliliters, and it retails for $13. It says, named for the ocean blue botanicals it possesses, spirulina and blue tansy, this skin treatment harbors highly concentrated adaptogenic oils that brighten and balance for an even, radiant complexion. Let's see what the box says. It's no nasty synthetics, ethical trade, sustainable, no gluten added, no soy added, and holistic. It's also plant-based, vegan, cruelty-free, small batch made, all skin types, and woman-owned. Let's see what this says. The ritual. For hyper-concentrated treatment, apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning as needed. If using another treatment and or moisturizer, massage Marina until absorbed. For a daily skincare cocktail, add 2 or more drops of Marina to any Earth Harbor serum, facial oil, or moisturizer, morning and night. Nice. I'm excited about this. I have never even heard of this company, so let's give it a little sniff. Nice. If you like blue tansy, look at the color too. It's so pretty. Nice. It smells good. Nothing too strong. I like it. I'm excited to try that one. All right. Here we have the Levito Thera Intensive Foot Cream. Retails for $14. It says, bye-bye cracked skin and hello baby soft feet. This ultra moisturizing foot cream soothes and repairs dry, itchy, and damaged skin while eliminating odors. Win-win. 30 milliliters times 2. It looks like there's 2. Cool. That's nice. That's kind of nice too. Like you can, if you want to share it with somebody, like give one to somebody instead maybe, since they gave you 2. Looks like it says Achillea, myrtle, and tea tree. Nurture, hydrate, and refresh for all skin types. Massage a generous dose into calves, ankles, soles, arches, and toes. Leave skin soft, supple, and energized. You might see some little cats flopping around and flying around in the background. That's probably going to be something you should get used to seeing. Okay, and the last product here is very cute. It's Habitat the Ultimate Multi-Use Cream Color. Let's see what it says about this. $28. An all-in-one easy product. This organic cream-based color pot is made for use on lips, cheeks, and eyes. With buildable coverage from a tint to bold color, used as a blush, lip tint, lipstick, or eyeshadow. I like that this is so multi-use. It says it's highly pigmented, multi-use color, super blendable, incredibly easy to use. Due to its high concentration of moringa oil, an amazing antioxidant with moisturizing and anti-aging properties, this is one product you won't want to be without. Naturally infused with omega-3 and 6 fatty acids and vitamins A, B, and C to boot, pamper your lips, cheeks, and eyes with this gorgeous time-saving multitasker. Directions. A little goes a long way. Lightly dab your finger in the pot and apply the ultimate to your lips, cheeks, or eyes for a creamy wash of color. For more intensity, apply a second coat. Let's check out the color. Ooh. Oh, okay. I don't know. We'll see. When I saw this, I was like, wow, that's very pink. But we'll see what the color is on the inside. I think that'll be pretty nice. It says Habitat the Ultimate in Pretty Baby. So that's the color I got. It looks, let's see, kind of shimmery. Here's an idea. I have a pretty fair skin tone, but that's what it looks like on my skin. So it'll be nice to sample using this and, you know, see what it's like. Kind of smells nice and unscented, just like product way. Best way I can describe. So that's really cool. This is my first box. I'm very excited. We got 4 products and just one of them had 2, the foot cream. So we have the foot cream, the Ultimate Multi-Use Color in Pretty Baby, and the Brightening Ampule from Earth Harbor called Marina, and then the mask from Odacite. So I think that's a pretty awesome box. I'm going to be excited to play around with all this. I think it'll be easy to sample all these and give some feedback in a week or two in another video. So I just wanted to share unboxing my first my first Petit Vour box, and I look forward to opening other boxes and also sharing my thoughts and opinions on these products with you all. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love if you would subscribe so you can be alerted when I do future videos. Thanks for watching Natural Beauty with Melanie. Have a nice day. Bye.